Dreaming of an extended wellness journey in Thailand? The DTV Visa for Wellness purpose simplifies your trip.
Ideal for digital nomads or corporate expats seeking a long-term base. Ideal for retirees and those requiring verified medical certification for extended recovery. The solution for families preparing for relocation, education, or long-term recovery stays.
This is the complete end-to-end visa application service. The first step is your passport. It must be valid for a minimum of 6 months, though 12 months is highly recommended. Be sure to provide a clear, full scan of all pages. Next, you will need a recent passport-style photograph. The image must have a clean, white background and have been taken within the last 6 months. Finally, for the nomad advantage, you need proof that you work remotely online from outside Thailand.
Any one of the following to show your remote work or lifestyle purpose: an employment letter, a freelancer contract, company registration, a self-employed declaration,
plus bank statements from the last 3 to 6 months showing a recommended balance of at least 500,000 Thai baht.
A wellness program confirmation letter is required. This is provided for you by Thaikanya, ensuring your compliant access to their natural medicine treatments like CBD oils throughout your extended stay.
Once submitted, the process usually takes 5 to 15 working days.
If you are already in Thailand, you will need to travel abroad for a short trip to complete your application at a Thai embassy.
Choose the Thaikanya Wellness Concierge Advantage for full support, document checking, and real-time application tracking.